If you're into video games like I am, you know the struggle. There are always those friends that look at you funny when you bring up a difficult Bloodborne boss or try explaining the Legend of Zelda timeline. We know they're missing out on masterful storytelling, adrenaline rushes, breathtaking fantasy worlds, and triumphant feelings, but even getting them to try a Pokémon game is hard. Still, I have hope that these misled non-gamers can be turned into full-fledged gaming connoisseurs. And the holiday season is the perfect time to get them to take the plunge. Gaming is more popular than ever thanks to the rise of streaming services, smartphones, and cutting-edge game consoles. Still, most people who want a game are in it for the experience of kicking back on a couch and spending a few hours running, jumping, slashing, shooting, or using magic. Whether you're shopping for a hardcore or lapsed gamer, these gaming gifts include some core components they'd appreciate. Number 1. 8BitDo Ultimate Bluetooth Controller. 8BitDo's Ultimate Bluetooth Controller lives up to its name. The gamepad, which works with both the Nintendo Switch and Windows PCs, feels great in the hand, has a familiar button layout, and can switch between Bluetooth and a 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Additionally, buttons on the back can be programmed on the back to trigger custom commands in compatible games. Perhaps the coolest thing about this controller is the included charging dock, which makes topping up its battery a lot easier. If you keep the controller docked when you're not playing, it'll never run out of juice. Xbox and PlayStation players shouldn't feel left out, as the official first-party controllers for the Xbox Series SX and PlayStation 5 are available. Number 2. Syntec Mini Dock. If you're going to connect your gaming handheld to a TV, you'll need to get a dock. The best one we've tested is this 6-port model from Syntec, which doubles as a stand. An integrated USB-C cable connects the dock to your portable computer and allows you to plug in accessories, via USB-A, a wired internet connection, via Ethernet, and a TV or monitor, via HDMI. The dock required no software to run and was instantly recognized by the ROG Ally as a compatible accessory. There's even a USB-C port on the dock, which you can plug into an outlet using a USB-C cable and power adapter to keep the handheld charged. If you're going to get someone a handheld gaming PC, or know someone who already has one, this is the accessory we recommend gifting them. Note: when running big games, high-resolution images may cause delays on external devices. You can adjust the screen resolution appropriately and lower the image quality of the game to ensure the stable operation of external devices. Number 3. Backbone One. The Backbone One effectively turns your iPhone into a Nintendo Switch. This controller shell connects directly to the iPhone's lighting port and grips itself to both sides of the device. Once connected, gamers can play iOS titles that support external controllers with traditional buttons, triggers, and control sticks. The Backbone One can also be used by iPhone gamers who want to stream cloud games using services provided by Microsoft, Sony, and Nvidia. This accessory brings out the full gaming potential of the iPhone. If you're an Android user, the Razer Kishi offers the same functionality for smartphones on that platform. Designed in partnership with the team behind the Xbox 360 controller, the Backbone features tactile buttons, responsive triggers, and clickable thumbsticks. The controller's rounded edges are designed to naturally fit in the hand for the most comfortable gaming experience. Number 4. BossGame Mini PC. One of the biggest barriers to entry for would-be computer gamers is finding enough space for a desktop, but BossGame's Mini PC is an interesting solution. This compact gaming PC can run many newer titles at 1080p with medium settings enabled, and you may be able to eke out even more performance on a game-by-game basis. That's due in large part to the machine's Ryzen 7 5800U 8-core processor, 16GB of RAM, and NVMe SSD. These are components we'd expect to see in computers that cost $100 to $200 more. If you're shopping for a lapsed PC gamer, or someone who wants to give gaming on Windows a try, this is the gift to get. Equipped with an EC Control Smart Fan, it can automatically detect the cooling state and changes the CPU temperature. Honeycomb housing designed for increased heat dissipation. It saves energy and prevents thermal runaway due to long hours of work. Number 5. Samsung Odyssey G30A. Speaking of monitors, PC and console gamers will all appreciate Samsung's Odyssey G30A. Its 144Hz refresh rate will make games look super smooth, and support for AMD's FreeSync technology will prevent abnormalities like screen tearing, distortion, from getting in the way of online matches or intense sequences with a lot of movement. Additionally, its large size means gamers will feel immersed while playing titles at their desk. We also like that the G30A has multiple HDMI ports so that multiple consoles can be plugged into it simultaneously. We understand not everybody has enough room for a 27-inch display, which is why we feel like 24-inch LG's 24GN600B is another good option. If the person you're getting this gift for has expressed interest in curved monitors, Samsung's 34-inch Odyssey G5 deserves a look. The G30A's borderless design allows multiple screens to be placed together for a truly immersive multi-monitor setup.